What if luxury had the space to truly breathe? Located in Costa del Este, this stunning 680 square meter residence offers grand interiors and a perfectly designed layout. The home opens with an impressive living room connected to two private dens, creating elegant spaces for relaxing or entertaining. The private area features 4 spacious bedrooms designed for comfort and privacy. And to complete the experience, the building offers exclusive social areas for a truly elevated lifestyle. Schedule your private tour and experience Costa del Este living.